Just some more facts here and motivational things from Richards Bay. I love to motivate people. Thomas Edison was the founder of the light bulb. In 1879, he made the first light bulb. Guess how many times did he try before he succeeded? 10,000 times. 10,000 times. And his most best quote that he had when they asked him how does it feel to fail? So he said he never failed. He found 10,000 ways how not to make a light bulb. So I want to tell you now, you don't need to try 10,000 times to be successful online and to generate additional income. No. All that you need to do is, my number is on the screen here. You can just send me a WhatsApp or comment bulb, and I will provide you with the information that you needed to be able to run your own successful online business and in dollars in South Africa in your own bank account.